Alright, '04 Dodge Ram 1500. Replacing the front speakers in there. The cutout makes it look like it's like a 6.5 inch or something when it's actually a 6x9. Now these are component speakers with the Infinity system that's in the truck. So I'm gonna put some, I guess these are 2-ways or something, but it ain't really gonna use that tweeter on there anyway, because only the lows get transferred to the speakers unless you bypass the amp. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of take this video because I went to put the speaker on like this, and it doesn't sit flush with the cutout, and I was like, all right, fuck it. I started screwing it down, and I don't know, it just really wasn't all that great. Even though the door panel went back on, it wasn't proper. So I got to the other side, and I ended up finding out that the original speaker has this fucking trim ring that's attached to it. You have to peel it off. There is some adhesive on this side, as you can see, that combines it to the speaker. Or I'm sorry, that's on the door side. The adhesive must be on the back of that, because there's none left on here now. But anyway, these little tabs, they go around the speaker, and there's 4 little nubs you have to cut off. You could see that one already. I started cutting it off. You use like a pair of scissors or a soldering iron to melt it off. I used a soldering iron, and then all I got to do, just rip it off. But you have to do that on all 4 corners so it'll clear the new speakers. I just got some cheap JVCs. It's better than the factory crap. But I put a double din in there, as if you watch my other video. And I was like, well, I might as well upgrade the speakers. Anything, even cheap speakers are better than the ones that are in there, because they just sounded terrible. And you might even be able to see that one. It's starting to separate. So about time I replaced them. These aren't too bad. They even come with these cool little grills. I don't know if it fits. I'm not even going to try, because I've been having so many crazy fucking luck experiences with this. So I had to take this door panel off again. We got it all back together, got to that side and figured that out, and I was like, oh, son of a bitch, it's got to be done right. So I just went ahead and took it back off. Wanted to take this video so someone else doesn't make the same mistake. I'll take a separate video for the rear speakers once I get to them, but hope this helps someone. Thanks.